now, guys. Brakes on. These are red. Thought it was a nice little touch. I couldn't find pink, but kind of blends in nicely. Took it for a little spin. I'll go again. I'll take it for another spin. But yeah, very comfortable, even for a girl's bike. Just I haven't got the seat tightened. Keep going down. Yeah, seems to be cycling fine. Gears are nice. Front brakes are a bit noisy. But yeah, overall, good bike. So, couple of decisions worth making with this bike. Handlebars, nice touch. It's nice and comfortable. The girls, I'm still waiting on the seat. I got a seat, but I'm still waiting on it. And yeah, just really nice, comfortable bike. So, purple pedals. Again, if you're wondering what else is purple, so purple dust caps and purple nuts. This was supposed to be purple, and it came in blue, but I've ordered a new one in purple. Hopefully it'll be here next week sometime, and I'll throw up a couple of pictures and stuff. And yeah, so I have a water leak out there, so I'll look at, and so we're waiting on the local council guys to come along and fix it. But yeah, overall, good bike. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully have something up in the near future. Probably buy another bike, fix that up and sell it. That is kind of my plan. So I'll leave it there, guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. See you in the next one.